everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Coons, and I've got a short video for you today. I promise it's not going to be very long. Just a little glimpse of what I'm doing in the studio this week. As you know, I'm always trying to do stock photographs, and I've had this idea for a while. I actually kind of saw it someplace else, and so I'm kind of stealing it, putting a little twist on it myself. But I've got a stock shot I want to do in here, and I want to do a portfolio piece as well, because since I got my new scrim, I've had this desire to photograph something glass, and I'm going to do a Coke bottle. So I want to see what the scrim will do as far as softening the highlights and the kind of lighting that I can get. So I'm kind of playing, but at the same time I'm creating a stock image and creating a portfolio piece. Let's do it. Now I guess the purpose of creating stock photographs is kind of obvious. The more stock photographs you take, the more you send in, the more chances you have to make money at these photographs on the stock agencies. So that makes perfect sense. But when it comes to shooting portfolio pieces, I really, over the last 6-8 months, maybe even a year, have been trying to do more and more updated portfolio pieces. And what I mean by that is, you know, my portfolio by and large is just my website. I've got them on a iPad that I can take around and show people, but my website is basically my portfolio these days. So I always want to update that, get new images on there. In this ever increasingly changing Instagram society that we live in, you can't rely on the same 20 shots that you've been showing for the last 3 years. You've got to constantly be doing new things. Plus, for me, the more new things I'm producing, the more I'm keeping, you know, in practice and just honing my skills even more and more. I've been doing it for a long time, but there's always more to learn and more to do, and just get better at what you do. So doing portfolio pieces is rather important. I try to update my, change up my website every month, not just highlight different images on the website by moving them around, but putting new stuff on a regular basis. So that's a wrap in the studio. It went pretty well. If you noticed with the Coke shot there at the end, I tried to do several different versions. I did just the Coke bottle. I took the lid off. Unfortunately, my straw was a paper straw, and I struggled with getting it to stop floating. So that, I don't know which one I'm going to end up liking the best. And the last thing I did was I had one of the Coke bottles in the freezer. I was trying to get it nice and cold. I was hoping when I brought it out into the room temperature it would get all frosty. Didn't do that. The Coke was starting to get frozen on the inside, so I'm really kind of thinking that won't be one that I will use. But I think one of them turned out pretty darn good and got my portfolio piece out of it. So here again are the final 2 shots that I did today. 1 stock shot, 1 portfolio shot. I was at 160 ISO. I was somewhere between 5.6 and 8, 5.6 and a third, 5.6 and 2/3. I kind of played around a little bit based on how I moved the lights. But yeah, right in there, that 5.6 f8 range. I think it turned out pretty well. So as always, I thank you guys for watching. You got less than a week to sign up for the giveaway, and if you don't know about the giveaway, go back and watch my last video, which was 1,000 subscriber giveaway, basically is what I called it. So you got till Saturday to sign up. All you got to do is comment on that video. I'll put your name in the hat, and you'll be part of the drawing. So thank you for everybody that's commented already. It's a success in my book. And I thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you in another video very soon.